Hey trophies, welcome to this 10-minute full body squats class where we're going to alternate squatting with jogging, and we're going to be able to modify it to our own fitness level and to our energy for the day. Of course, we're going to be on our rebounders today. Thank you so much for joining me and for getting into this class, because sometimes these quickie workouts are not as appealing because we don't think that we can really get a workout in 10 minutes, but trust me, we're going to get a workout in today. And if you had fun in the class, maybe you can do it again. So let's go ahead and get started. My name is Trophy Sally. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's start with 2 minutes of warming up. So we're going to start with just baby bouncing, waking up every cell in the entire body and getting into our good posture, which is through the spine and through the mouth, standing up straight, closing the jaw. Let's relax our eyes. Let's relax our shoulders and stand tall. You could even say that there's a little arch in the back just because we're standing so poised. We've got our handlebar here too, so we stay right at the middle of our mat and we stay tall. Perfect. Now let's throw in some hip thrusting here. So hold your handlebar lightly and then just rock your lower back flexibility as well as putting a stretch into your core. Your heels are bobbing very gently. Work with your rebounder flow. All rebounders bounce a little bit differently, so it's okay if your speed is slower or quicker than mine. Let's go ahead and do some hip twists. So twist those hips, coming up onto the balls of your feet. We want to get into our knee and ankle flexibility as well as our hip flexibility and activate our calf muscles. If you're ready to pick it up to a faster pace, let's go ahead and take the mid bounce out. Otherwise, you can stay at that mid bounce pace. I like to throw in a little shoulder rocking here too, bringing flexibility into the core and the back, which you can do at the single speed. Just lift your opposite shoulder to the knee point. Perfect. All right, the next minute is going to be jogging. So if you want to rock, you can rock. If you want to jog with one hand on the handlebar, switch at the 30 seconds. Otherwise, you can take both hands off the handlebar and give me a full jog. I'm going to go ahead and have one hand on the handlebar, and then I'm going to swing my other hand and stay right at the center of my mat. That's what I love about the handlebar. We really can stay in perfect form when we hold on, and we still are getting a little activation even in this arm holding the handlebar as well as our other arm. 3, 2, if you're switching arms with me, switch. Feel the core contracting. Every bounce is pulling on every cell in your body, so all you have to do is become aware of it. All right, the next minute is going to be squatting, and we're going to do baby squats. Our goal is going to be doing 3 squats every 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. So that sounds easy enough, right? So give me a baby squat, and a baby squat, and a baby squat, and then half bounce. So we're going to do that every 15 seconds. If you want to add squats, you are welcome. Let's go ahead and do 3 more. Just baby squats. And half bounce. And you're also welcome to go deeper right off the bat if you want. We're just going to work our way up. Let's do 3 more. Feel the bottoms of your feet, keeping you balanced so you can work your symmetry and also stay strong in your core and your back. Keep your shoulders relaxed. 2, 1, 3 more. 3, and bounce. Perfect. So now we're going to get into another minute of jogging, keeping our heart rate up. So take the jog to your desired intensity. Stay in perfect form. I want you standing straight up. Keep your lips together. You could purse your lips for that added face flex. Teeth are closed. Excellent. If you're switching arms with me, let's switch in 2 and 1. Excellent. So notice that you can squeeze this arm here that's holding onto the handlebar. Getting a little activation and movement while we're putting resistance against our muscles. All right, so the next round of squats is going to be middle squats. So not baby squats. We're going to dip down a little bit deeper. 3 per 15. Maybe you want to go 5 per 15 seconds. That's fine too. 1, 2, 3, and health bounce. Just baby bounce. 3 more, here we go. Staying balanced. Excellent. And bounce. Should you use your handlebar or shouldn't you use your handlebar? I say use it, but you're welcome to not use it. Let's do 3 more. I just want you to feel that symmetry in your leg muscles. Bounce with me. And find that relaxed poise between sets. Down we go. 2 and 3. Excellent. Perfectly relax yourself. Get ready for another jog. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. If you're rocking side to side, if you're running with both arms, just stay relaxed and stay poised and feel your body stay nice and flexible and strong and in the fun zone. Excellent. 2, 1. Switch arms with me if you're switching. Pull that elbow back, feel that stretching through your bicep. And then you can have that pursed lip with me, and you also can smile. The next round of squats is going to be the deepest squat that we can do safely, and 3 per 15 seconds. You're welcome to modify. 2, 1. Here we go. So go down all the way if you can, and up. Use your core muscles, use your back, strong back, and bounce. Beautiful. And if you want to stay at middle or a baby, that's fine too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Each time you do this workout, you could switch it up with whether you use the handlebar or not. 1, 2, and 3. Excellent. This could be a quickie little 10-minute that you squeeze in any time of day, and you know that you can take it to your desired intensity, always. 1, 2. Excellent. Going all the way down and bounce. Even if you're just doing baby bounces and rocking side to side, all jumping is excellent for your trophy body. All right, let's go ahead and do a glute squeeze. So stick your feet out and then pump with your buns squeezed, and then put your hands on the handlebar and give me little tricep pumps. So you're just pushing into your handlebar very gently through your palms, and you're keeping your arms tight into your sides. If you have a wide handlebar, it is comfortable to have a nice wide position underneath your hands, but you can get the same exact resistance against your triceps with a middle push here. Just keep that glute squeeze. Stay relaxed. Squeeze it up. Perfect. You even feel some resistance here in your chest. Yes. Make them count. Here are 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hip twist for me. So you can add a mid bounce here, or you can do the full hip twist. And if you want to rock the shoulders, you're welcome to do that. And just relax and loosen up your body so that you can get all that lactic acid pumped out, and then feel back to fresh and strong and ready at the end of class. Keep your eye muscles relaxed. Excellent. Let's do some calf pumps here. So when we do calf pumps, I just want you to roll up onto the balls of your feet, and then you can have some mid bounces between pumps where you push up, or you could do them back to back, and then you can take a break anytime. And when your calves start to fill with some lactic acid activation, then just give them a rest, and then we're good. Bring your balance all the way to a stop. Perfect. Awesome. So I just had the thought too that if you did want to do this workout at a more intense pace, you could always swap out the squats with jump squats. And then you could really make this 10-minute workout a super blast of a workout, because you know you're going to be squatting and running for most of the class. And otherwise, just getting yourself in that motion is very good for our everyday functionality. You know, we want to have that flexibility in our knees and in our ankles and our hips so that we can do everyday things. And so this is a great one to practice along with my balance and stability class. It's good to have ones that you might just start doing every morning, and then you do our daily class on top of that. Our goal really is to get you bouncing in Easy World as much as possible so that you can start to really work your fitness up and really work your rebounder skills up, and then eventually jump into our membership classes, which will give you the highest level of conditioning and strength that you can achieve if you are staying consistent, nose breathing, and keeping your body calm. And if that's where you want to be, then we can have you in those membership classes. Otherwise, stick with these YouTube free workouts here and you are good to go. So I hope that this one becomes a favorite for you. Squats and jogging, we had a great workout. If you want to repeat the workout, do it. And give the video a like too if you're all about jogging and squatting and you had a great time with me today. You're also welcome to give me a blue heart in the comments section. You know, that's our trophy thing. We like to get a little heart, and then I know who's jumping into this class and doing it again and again. I'll see you very soon, trophies. Lots of love. Bye-bye.